Dear students, under the topic vector differentiation, here we have a problem that involves both the concepts of divergence and curl of a vector point function. Now, here the question is if f vector is equal to xyz I vector plus xyz square j vector plus x square yz k vector, then find divergence of curl of f vector. Now, the divergence of curl of f vector is given by the divergence is the dot product. So nebula dot, and what is the curl? Curl is nebula cross f vector. So we have to find nebula dot nebula cross f vector in order to find the divergence of the curl of f vector. First of all, we will find nebula cross f vector, that is the curl of f vector. We know that nebula cross f vector is given by the determinant I vector, j vector, k vector, and dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And here we have to write the ith component of f vector, which is xyz. So we have to write xyz over here. And here we have to write the jth component of f vector, which is xyz square. So xyz square. And here we have to write the kth component of f vector, which is x square yz. So x square yz. So now we shall find the determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of this matrix will be equal to I vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and blocking this row, we have to find the determinant of this matrix, that is dou by dou y of x square yz minus this into this. So dou by dou z of xyz square minus j vector, the second one. So we have to block this column and block this row, so that we will be having dou by dou x of this one. So x square yz minus dou by dou z of this term, which is xyz. And then the last one is kth component, so plus k vector multiplied with, we have to block this column and block this row. So we have to find the determinant of this matrix, which is dou by dou x of xyz square minus this into this, which is dou by dou y of xyz. So further, this is equal to I vector multiplied with, what is dou by dou y of this term? Now x square z will be constant, differentiation of y is 1. So x square z minus partial differentiation of this with respect to z. X and y will be constant and the differentiation of z square is 2z. So we can write it as 2xyz minus j vector multiplied with dou by dou x of this. So partial differentiation of this with respect to x. So it will be 2x. So we will have 2x and yz are constant. So they come as it is. So 2xyz minus the partial differentiation of this with respect to z. So xy will be constant. So they come as it is. And the differentiation of z is 1. So we will be having xy. And then plus k vector multiplied with partial differentiation of this with respect to x is, differentiation of x is 1, so y and z square are constants, so they come as it is, minus partial differentiation of this with respect to y, so x and z are constants and the differentiation of y is 1, and so we get xz. So this is the curl, that is nebula cross f vector. Now using this vector, we shall find nebula dot nebula cross f vector, that is the divergence of this curl vector. So the divergence of the curl vector nebula cross f vector. Now what is divergence? Divergence is dou by dou x of the ith component, that is x square z minus 2xyz, and then plus. But here we have a minus, so plus into minus will become minus dou by dou y of the jth component. What is the jth component over here? 2xyz minus xy plus and here the kth component is this. So dou by dou z of the kth component is yz squared minus xz. This is by the concept of divergence, which we have seen previously also. So kindly go through it, how to find the divergence of a vector, and then follow this. And so this will be equal to, now what is the partial differentiation of this term with respect to x? Here we have x square, so it will be 2xz minus, here x, differentiation of x is 1 and 2yz are constants, so they come as it is, so 2yz, and here minus of, partial differentiation of this with respect to y. What is that? When we differentiate y, it will be 1. So 2xz we have this minus sign here, so it will be minus 2xz. And what is the partial differentiation of this with respect to y? It is, for y it is 1 and x will come as it is. This minus into minus will become plus, and so we will have plus x. And then partial differentiation of this with respect to z. So it will be 2z, so plus 2zy minus partial differentiation of this with respect to z. For z it will be 1, so we will be getting minus x as it is. Now if we see here, we have 2xz over here minus 2xz over here, so they both get cancelled. Similarly, plus 2zy and minus 2yz, both are same with opposite signs, so they get cancelled. Similarly, plus x and minus x also get cancelled, and we observe that this is equal to 0. Therefore, the divergence of the curl of the given vector point function f vector is equal to 0. So, hope you have understood how to find the divergence of curl of a vector point function. We will do one more problem for your better understanding. So here we have another problem. So find the divergence of curl of f vector given that f vector is this. So now f vector is given to us. We have to find divergence of curl of f vector. Just now we saw that it is equal to nebula dot nebula cross f vector. So first we shall find nebula cross f vector. So that is equal to the determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And the ith component over here is x square y. The jth component is xy. And the kth component is yz. The determinant of this we have to find. So that will be nebula cross f vector equal to, first we have to take I vector. So I vector multiplied with, so block this column, block this row. So this into this. So dou by dou y of yz minus this into this. So dou by dou z of xy minus, next will be j vector. So j vector multiplied with dou by dou x of yz. So dou by dou x of yz minus dou by dou z of this one, that is x squared y. And then we have k vector over here, so plus k vector multiplied with, so blocking this column and blocking this row, we will be having dou by dou x of xy minus dou by dou y of this into this is x squared y. So now we have to simplify this. So this will be equal to I vector multiplied with the partial differentiation of yz. So z will be constant, differentiation of y is 1, so we will be getting z alone. Minus partial differentiation of xy with respect to z. We do not have a z term over here, so it will be 0. Minus j vector multiplied with partial differentiation of yz with respect to x. We do not have an x term over here, so as a whole they will be constant, and on differentiation they become 0. Minus partial differentiation of x square y with respect to z. We do not have a z term over here. X square y will be constant as a whole, and they become 0. Plus k vector multiplied with partial differentiation of xy with respect to x. Differentiation of x is 1. So 1 multiplied with y, so it will be y. Minus partial differentiation of x square y with respect to y. Y will be 1 on differentiation, and x square will come as it is, so we will be having x square. So therefore we obtain nebula cross f vector to be equal to, here we have zi vector, Here it is 0, so it is minus 0 j vector. And here we have x square, y minus x square k vector. So now this is nebula cross F vector. But actually we want to find nebula dot of nebula cross of F vector. We know that the dot product is given by with nebula is given by dou by dou x of the ith component of this vector. That is, the ith component here is z, minus dou by dou y of the jth component. So here it is 0, and actually this is plus here. Since this is 0, minus, I wrote a minus over here. Anyway, it's going to become a 0. And then plus dou by dou z of the kth component, so y minus x square. Now if you see, when we differentiate this partially with respect to x, it becomes 0. This is already 0. And here y minus x square, we do not have an z term, so this also will become 0. Therefore, we get this answer also to be equal to 0. Therefore, nebula dot nebula cross F vector is equal to 0. In fact, this is a result which can be derived. We will see in our upcoming videos that always nebula dot nebula cross F vector will be equal to 0. That is, the divergence of the curl of the given F vector is equals 0. So in our next video, we will find curl of a curl vector. So let us see how to find curl of a curl vector, curl of a vector point function. Thank you.